In this training, we will guide you through using Abaqus CAE for the simulation of tire tread wear. To do so, we have used the UMESHMOTION subroutine. This subroutine helps us specify the movement of nodes within a constrained node set during adaptive meshing. Finally, we have extracted the results to check the tread form or depth and tire stress. In this project, we will use Abaqus to simulate tire tread wear. Tire tread wear is a measure of how much the tread on a tire has worn down. To do so, we will first provide an overview of the problem, along with the associated theory and formulation. Then, we will show you how to write Abaqus input files for such a problem. After that, we will explore the UMESHMOTION subroutine, which we need to define the motion of nodes within an adaptive mesh constraint node set. We will then demonstrate how to import the input files into Abaqus and analyze the job. Finally, we will discuss the results. Please note that this YouTube playlist is part of a workshop included in 2 of our packages, as introduced in the description. The tread wear simulation package focuses solely on simulating tread wear in Abaqus. On the other hand, the UMESHMOTION package is mainly provided to explore the UMESHMOTION subroutine. As part of one of its workshops, we have used the tread wear simulation to demonstrate its application. If you need more details after watching this playlist, you can check out the full packages. Additionally, we have a free YouTube video on the UMESHMOTION subroutine available in the top right corner. You can check it for more information regarding the UMESHMOTION subroutine.